Okay, so what we are offering is a 1933 Northwestern porcelain over cast iron bulk vending machine. That means you can put peanuts in it, you can put M&Ms in it, you can put Good and Plenty's in it. So any type of more of a hard candy, you can put in this and it'll dispense it. This is 1 cent play. So the penny goes in here, right here, and bada boom, get your whatever vending stuff you want. It does have nice original lock here, and it does have a barrel lock on it, which is pretty desirable. So it's got a correct barrel lock on top, as well as a nice original lock here. And it does have the correct globe on it. Once again, it's porcelain over cast iron. Nice starter machine, so if you want something kind of nice for your counter or your island in your kitchen, you can put your favorite candy in it and vend it. It's great for the kids as well as you. Anyway, great little machine if you want it. Jeff will get it shipped out before noon if you buy before noon. Anyway, thanks for looking, and it's a cutie.
I got an interesting fun fact for this, Jim. Did you know that the Mars company made M&Ms with the candy coating to give soldiers chocolate in the field without it melting in their pockets and hands, and that's what the shell was made from, and they never stopped making them.
That's fantastic. What a great trivia thing. That makes sense. Put a hard shell over it so it don't melt.
You always learn something at the Mantiques Network, even if it's useless information. Have a great day.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent, in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.